watching me on YouTube? Good. I'd like to play a game with you. Up until now, you've just sat there as a voyeur watching other people in their videos without care about who that person is. Well, what do voyeurs see when they look into the mirror? Let's find out.
Okay, Josh, your challenge, should you choose to accept it, and you do, is to take what you have in front of you and separate it into 4 separate pieces. It will come as a lock. I'll drop it off at yours soon. This is how the package will arrive. I'm on my way. I have the package. I'm dropping it off now. Good luck. Bye.
Hey guys, it's NimBruh again. Today, okay, so as you've seen about the footage before, that was my friend. So that was my. Hey guys, it's NimBruh back again. In the previous footage there, you see a bag in my garden. That was my friend Owen. He was messaging me and asking me if I would like to try this puzzle out, do a video of me trying to complete it. So I was like, yeah, okay. The reason he chucked it over the fence like that was because we can't really. He was going out for a walk anyway. Just chucked it over. We can't really be in contact with each other, so yeah. I guess we could have talked from a distance. It was funny for the video as well. We've been keeping in contact over messaging, so yeah. So it came in this bag, he wrapped it up so I can open it for you guys in front of the camera, so yeah.
In choosing how to react to this situation, your lifelong instincts will tell you to do one thing, but I implore you to do the opposite.
Okay guys, so he wants me to time myself and see how long it takes me to finish this, so that's what I'm gonna do. Have fun watching me try to get this out. I'll probably time lapse some of this. I'll probably talk you through it. Yeah, so
let the games begin.
how is this possible? Puzzle that's impossible. Somewhere. Looks like it's a bit like halfway out there. guys see that? What the heck? What time did I get? Oh, come on guys. 30 minutes. Heck yeah. Freaking done that. I actually thought it was going to take me longer. At the very start, I thought it was going to take me like not even 5 minutes. Because I don't know what I done, but then I ended up getting like this flat part out of one of these sides. Just kept working at it and finally got it. Both these are exactly the same. The thing that's different is this middle bit. The top bit on that side looks like it's the same size as the one on the small side though. And that's raised a bit that side. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and comment and subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos, please. Thank you. Yeah. Let me know what you like and what you didn't like in this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, peace. Peace, 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 peace.
NimBruh time, come on, grab your games, we'll play all day and beat some bum with shot.